Hi all, welcome back to Advanced Technical Learning channel. In this video, you are going to learn about logical functions. In this video, we are going to cover what is logical function, if function, nested if function, ifs, and, or, not. At the end of this video, I'll provide you one assignment. In that assignment, I'll give you some data and I'll give you some problems to solve for your practice. So let's understand what is logical function. A logical functions are built-in formulas that allows you to perform evaluation and make decisions based on the logical conditions. A logical functions are used in spreadsheets to test whether a situation is true or a false. These functions help you to analyze data, compare values, and determine outcomes based on specific criteria. So let's move on to the logical functions. If function. It is used to perform a logical test and return one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. Here is the syntax for if function. So let's move on to the Excel workbook. I have written some data in Excel workbook. So let's apply if function. I have written some students data in Excel workbook. As you seen in schools, when you get more than 33 marks, you will pass. When you get less than 33 marks, you will get fail. So let's apply this condition with this data equals to if select value when this value is greater than equals to 33, it will show pass, otherwise it will show fail. Bracket close and enter. So let's drag this formula into other data also. As you seen that when there is more than 33 marks, it is showing pass, otherwise it is showing fail. Nested if function. A nested if function refers to a practice of using multiple if functions within one another to create complex conditional statements. This allows you to evaluate with multiple conditions and produce different results based on the conditions. Here is the syntax for nested if function. So let's move on to the Excel workbook and see how to perform nested if functions. In this I have written some students data. As you seen in schools, there is a grade system. According to that grade system, I have written some conditions. So let's perform nested if function equals to if select total marks. When total marks is greater than equals to 90, it will show A grade. If total marks is greater than equals to 75, it will show B grade. If total marks is greater than equals to 60, it will show C grade. If total marks is greater than equals to 45, it will show D grade. If total marks is greater than equals to 33, it will show E grade, otherwise it will show F grade. So close all the parentheses and enter. So let's drag this nested if function and see the output result. We got the output result according to the given conditions. We have one more method for nested if function also, that is ifs. So let's see how to perform ifs function equals to ifs when marks is greater than equals to 90, A grade, when marks is greater than equals to 75, comma B grade when marks is greater than equals to 60, comma C grade, comma when marks is greater than equals to 45, comma D grade when marks is greater than equals to 33, comma E grade when marks is less than equals to 33, comma F grade, bracket close and enter. You will see the result based on the conditions. AND function. AND function is used to check multiple conditions and return true if all conditions are true, otherwise it returns false. Here is the syntax for AND function. OR function. OR function is used to check the multiple conditions and return true if at least one condition is true, otherwise it returns false. Here is the syntax for OR function. So let's see how to perform AND and OR function in Excel workbook. I have written some customer data and I have written some conditions. According to that conditions, so let's apply AND function equals to if and when total quantity is greater than 40, comma and total bill is greater than 500, bracket close, comma when both condition matches true, then it will give 5% discount on total bill amount, otherwise it will show blank. So let's drag this formula into other data also. This is the output based on the given condition. It is showing blank because both conditions are not matching true. So let's apply OR function equals to if or when total quantity is greater than 40, comma when total bill is greater than 500, bracket close, comma when either one condition is true, it will give 5% discount on total bill, otherwise it will show blank, bracket close and enter. Let's drag this formula into other data also. See, this is the output according to the given condition. Not function. Not function is a logical function that allows you to reverse the logical value of a given condition. It returns the opposite of the value that you provide. The not function is particularly useful when you want to evaluate whether a condition is not true, or in other words, when you want to check for a false condition. Here is the syntax for not function. So let's see how to perform not function. As I told you, not function reverses the logical condition. That means it will convert the true condition to false or false condition to true. So first let's apply not condition with AND logical function equals to if not and when total quantity is greater than 40, comma total bill is greater than 500, bracket close, comma it will give 5% discount on total bill, otherwise it show blank, bracket close, enter. So let's drag this formula into other data also. As you are seeing on your screen, that not function reverses the output of AND function. So let's apply not function with OR function equals to if not or when total quantity is greater than 40, comma total bill is greater than 500, bracket close, comma it will give 5% discount on total bill, comma otherwise it show blank, bracket close, enter. So let's drag this formula in other data also. See, it reverses the output of OR function. So let's see what is the assignment. In this assignment I have given you some data and I have given you 10 problems to solve. I have given numbers in columns. According to that numbers you have to solve problems by using logical functions. After completing this assignment, you can send it to me for review on the given email ID. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.